Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can set different prices for each location using BookingKoala. If you're ready to customize your pricing based on where your services are offered, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your BookingKoala dashboard and click on Settings. Next, go to Industries and select the industry you want to adjust. Once you're there, choose the form you want to work on. Now hover over the Service Category section. Click on Dependencies. Then, in the Dependencies tab, scroll down to the question, should the service category show based on the location, and set it to Yes. You'll now see options for each location listed below. To show a service category in a specific location, check the box next to that location. To hide it, simply uncheck the box. Once you're done, click the Save button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up location-specific pricing in BookingKoala. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.